mean, median, mode, and range. The mean, median, mode, and range are all ways to describe a set of numbers, often used in statistics. The mean is the average of the numbers. The median is the middle number when the numbers are arranged in order. The mode is the number that appears most often. The range is the difference between the largest and smallest numbers. Let's discuss them in details. Number 1. Mean. The mean is the most common measure of central tendency. To find the mean, add all the numbers in the set together, and then divide by the total number of values in the set. For example, the mean of the numbers 2, 4, 6, and 8 is. By added the numbers we get 20. We divide it by 4 as there are 4 numbers of data given. So the mean we get is 5. Number 2. Median. The median is the middle value in a dataset when the data is arranged in ascending or descending order. First, arrange the numbers in ascending order. If there's an odd number of values, the median is the middle number. If there's an even number of values, the median is the average of the two middle numbers. For example, in the dataset 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, the median is 6. In the dataset 2, 4, 6, 8, the median is 4 plus 6 divided by 2. The answer is 5. Number 3. Mode. The mode is the value that appears most frequently in the set. A dataset can have one mode, multiple modes, or no mode. For example, in the dataset 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, the mode is 2. In the dataset 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, the modes are 2 and 4. Number 4. Range. The range is a measure of dispersion, indicating the spread of the data. It's calculated by subtracting the lowest value from the highest value in the data set. For example, in the data set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, the range is 10 minus 2 equals 8. Now let's do an exercise. What is the mean, median, mode, and range of data set? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 8, 3. Here's how to calculate each. To find mean, add all the numbers. We will get 46. Then divide the sum by the number of values, which are 7. So the mean is 6.5. To find median, first, arrange the numbers in ascending order. The middle number is the median. In this case, it's the fourth number, which is 7. To find mode, the mode is the number that appears most frequently. In this set, the number 3 appears twice, which is more than any other number. So the mode is 3. To find range, the range is the difference between the highest and lowest numbers. The highest number is 11, and the lowest number is 3. The range is 8.